to make Karahi chicken. For this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, which is the equivalent to about 8 to 9 garlics, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, which comes from 1 inch of ginger, 4 large tomatoes cut into cubes, half a cup of oil, 1½ tablespoons of yogurt, 1 green chili either finely chopped or sliced, and lastly finely chopped cilantro, and let's not forget the most important ingredient, the whole chicken. On medium to low heat, we will first add the oil. We will let the oil warm up for 1 to 2 minutes before we proceed to the next step. Now we will start to add the ingredients into our karahi, which is the wok. We will add the chicken, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garlic paste, ginger paste, and salt and tomatoes. We will not add the yogurt, the green chilies, or the cilantros yet. That will come towards the end of the recipe. Now mix everything well. Cover with the lid and cook on medium to low heat until all the water from the chicken is gone and the oil is separated. Periodically, come and check your chicken and mix it as well so it doesn't stick to the bottom. After about 5 minutes, come and check your chicken and mix everything again. Cover again. Cover and continue to check every 5 to 7 minutes until the chicken is completely done. You to check until the water is gone and the oil is separated. Now as you can see here, the oil is starting to separate. Give it about 5 to 7 minutes and then you can proceed to the next step. Turn the stove onto low heat and start adding in the yogurt. Mix well, then cover and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on low heat. Now let's garnish the dish.